video I show you how to fix Instagram story effect option not showing problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Instagram, update your Instagram app if available in update, then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now find out Instagram app, click on Instagram, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear the storage, then delete. Now open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Click on save. Got it. Now create story. Hello, story. Hello. Okay. Now click on here, 3 star. This is the effect option. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram story effect option missing, not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.